Hi everybody, John from Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We have a 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road Edition Limited Trim. Came in for our 2-year Fireball Aegis coating. Got a 1-step polish plus a jeweling stage. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. Painted surfaces got done, the plastic trim got done. The side steps got done. The tri-fold tonneau cover got done. This thing looks just absolutely beautiful. Normally we do this outside, but it's a little wet outside with some rain and some snow. Can't believe I'm saying the S word. Man, this thing looks like a red mirror. This thing looks beautiful. I'm sure the owner's going to be more than pleased. If you have a question about a ceramic coating, or interested in a coating, or have questions about window film, paint correction, any of the services that we offer, please email us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, I'm John from Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see you in the next video.